going to show you how to easily change this to this using this product along with this and a little bit of elbow grease. That's up next. I've seen a lot of videos out there with detailers indicating that you have to spend a lot of time on these headlights. You can do this in about 3 minutes. You just take your mothers, this is the mag and aluminum polish, and you just want to take a dry sponge, and I'm just putting a little bit on the sponge here to coat it, and then you just want to start dry rubbing it. Now you have to spend at least 2 minutes on this. And for purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Okay, we're at 2 minutes here. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to dampen the sponge and then just do like a finish wipe on this. Okay, so this is just lightly dampened, and I'm going to go over that to give it a nice finish. This seems to pop it out with the wet rub, and we're going to do this for an additional minute. We'll speed this up. Okay, now all it's left to do is take a dry rag and polish. Now I notice there's still a little bit of haze down here. If you see that, then you just want to get your sponge, put a little more of the Mother's chrome and mag polish on it, and go over that particular area. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's rebuff. There you have it. This stuff works wonders. I'll leave links below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.